Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you, can you get a jam track as your lobby music? Well, if you're going to look for your browser here and search for it, as you can see, the short answer is not directly. So currently, Fortnite does not offer a feature that allows players to directly upload or use their own jam tracks as lobby music. So the game has a set of lists of soundtracks that you can unlock or purchase, but personal tracks not in the mix. So this doesn't mean your Fortnite experience has to be void of personal flair though. There are always new soundtracks being added to the game through updates, collaborations, and special events. Keep an eye out for those. So it's clear for us that you can get your jump track as your lobby music on Fortnite. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.